Hey YouTube, how's everybody out there? My name's Susie, and I wanted to come and give you a tip and trick. Tip and trick? Yeah. And I got my stuff over here. Hang on. Oh, here we go. A tip and trick. Alright. Okay, you notice I have mascara on one eye. Let me see if I can bring y'all up. Mascara on one eye. See how long my eyelashes are? And none on this eye. Okay, I'm going to put it on the bottom. And the best way to put it on the bottom is I go like this. And I'm using a sample. I was already going to have the bottom on, but hey, I forgot. Old age and worms. Old age and worms. Okay. A trick, everybody wants to buy those heated eyelash curlers. I don't use an eyelash curler, but if you do, I'm going to give you a trick. Just a normal, I think this is a Milani. No, maybe not. But anyway, any eyelash curler. It doesn't have to be expensive. I think I got this at the Dollar Tree. And my blow dryer is built in, so I couldn't bring it in here with me. So I have the end off of my curling wand. And what you can do is heat up your curler just a little bit. Now to make sure it's not too hot, put it on your arm like you would a baby's bottle on your arm. And if it doesn't burn there, it's not going to burn your face. And then you want to go right in at the base of your eyelash, like this. And hang on, let me get in there. In at the base, and you pump. And as you're pumping, you bring it up, and see you got that warm. You bring it up and go right to the end, because if you're just crimping or curling, it's crimping is what it is. At the end, right here, you're just going to get a straight up. And then you have to watch what kind of, you want to pump it like this. Pump it, just like that. Pump it. But anyway, ow, I burnt my leg with this thing. Anyway, go straight in, get in there good, and then just pump. And as you're doing that, bring it up just like that to the ends. And you're going to get a much better curl if you can see that curl. So, anyway, then you put your mascara. Now listen, if you use a real wet mascara, then that brings the curl. Start out with kind of a dry mascara. That won't bring the curl out. And then go in with your wetter mascara. You can use 2 mascaras at once. But anyway, let me get in there and see what I'm doing. So there you go. And always turn your mascara wand to where your some people do like this. Now, that's fine. I always stick it in my eye if I try to do it like that. But anyway, there you see. You curl your eyelashes and bring it out as you're coming. Have it go in under your, there you go. And there's your eyelashes curled. And there, ladies, is the real color of my eyes too. Everybody talks about my blue eyes, so there's my real color. I wear an enhanced eyelash eye color, because when I wear my contacts, which I have clear contacts in now, when I wear them, I can't see them in the tray that you clean them in, and I always tear them, so I get colored. Yeah, my husband's laying over here, right? See, there's his head right there. I'm gonna flick him on the head. But anyway, he's not feeling well today. You all keep him in your prayers. He's not feeling well. So anyway, I decided I would film in here sitting on the bed with him. I go back to work on Sunday, so just got a few more days left of my vacation. And I'm cleaning house and doing laundry, and boom! Got him again. But anyway, I can hit him like that and he can't say nothing, can he? There I go. But you all have a good week, good rest of your week. I'll see you Sunday for Porch Setting Sunday, and we'll see what the rest of the story was. I don't have nothing else to say except for that story. I could tell you, start another story. I have had requests for longer videos. If you want a longer video, let me know in the comments. I try to keep them pretty short, because I know if I'm interested in it, then I'll watch a longer video. But if it's a boring something boring, then I'm not going to set for longer than 10 minutes and watch a video, because I got the next video to get to. Hope y'all are having good weather where you're at. It is so hot here that the chickens won't even come out to peck. But anyway, that being said, I think I'll go. If you want to come along with me on my ride, stick a thumb up in the air. Catch a ride with me. I'll stop and pick you up along the way. Also, if you want to become a friend, just hit that friend button down below. Share me around, because you know that I want to travel. And without you, I can't travel. So, share me around. Take me with you when you go, and I'll come along. So, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you Sunday.